Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all doing good wherever you're at. So today we're going to talk about some good altcoins that I've been looking at and some that I think are good to buy, especially for long term because of the growth that they've been experiencing the past couple of weeks. So with that, let's just go and review the market real quick. So it looks like Bitcoin's taking a breather along with a lot of altcoins. It's down 1.2% to 58,200, and then Ethereum's down 1.5% to 1,800. And again, some altcoins are still doing well. But with that, let's go and get started to the first pick. So first one that I'm going to talk about is ZUZ, Z-U-Z. Now, currently, you can buy this on the dextools.io. If you go to the ZUZ protocol Twitter, it's at ZUZ protocol. And basically, they have a link here. Go to DexTools, and it's super simple. All you need to do is basically click trade. It'll take you to Uniswap, and then from there, you can basically add the token address, and then trade it from there. So again, this coin, why I'm so bullish on it right now, there's a lot of big Twitter followers that are following it. And basically, this gives privacy to DeFi, to the NFT market. So that is huge right now because the NFT market, as you know, a lot of spotlight has been shined on the NFT market, and to have privacy for that, especially buying, selling, that is huge. So I think this is very big, and not to mention Mark Cuban is actually supporting its sister company, Zero Utility. So ZUT, we'll go ahead and click this. If you hover over Zero Utility, you can see right now that's followed by ZUZ Protocol and then Mark Cuban. So this coin here, ZUT, actually went up 250x from its release. So a lot of people are thinking that ZEUS is actually going to follow suit. So that's something, again, I've been watching closely, and you can already see that it's gone up a lot so far. And actually in my Discord group, I announced this coin at $28 here, or $29, excuse me, and I'll actually show proof of that a little bit later. But after that, next we're going to be looking at Frontier Token. So Frontier Token has been really good for us as well. You can see here that in the Twitter group, see I posted for ZEUS Protocol up here, started at 283, now at $29. This was yesterday. And then down here, I posted about Frontier, and that was at $2.64 on this alert here. So you can see they've already been doing really well. So that's something I'm pretty proud of. And again, if you want to join the Discord group, just message me on Twitter or Discord, and you can join it for a small fee. So right now, Frontier, I'm very bullish on, because if you go to their Twitter, you can see that they're a chain agnostic DeFi aggregation layer. Now, you can see they've had a lot of developments in the past couple of days. So they're proud to announce that Frontier Chain, the most ambitious front goal to date, has officially entered into development, launch planning, and economic modeling. On March 31st, they'll announce how they plan to accomplish native staking, governance, and much more. And you can see here, actually it was 18 hours ago, they listed on Binance with 182.5% APY. So they provided staking there, and this literally became full in one day. So there's only, I believe, $6 million worth available to stake, and then you could earn 182% on that APR, and it was already actually full once I tried to go to it a couple hours later. So they're doing big things right now, and again, more announcements to come March 31st. So definitely a lot of big things going on with here, and it's followed by a lot of big names as well. So Frontier, I think, is going to be a very, very good coin going into the future. Last but not least is NRV Finance. So NRV Finance is actually ranked 686, and it's up almost 13% today, which is amazing. Now you can see here the chart. It's actually had its low of 44 cents. In the past 2 days, it's gone to the upside. Now you're kind of wondering, why has it gone up now? Well, if you go to their Twitter at NRV Finance, you can see they're the first stable AMM on Binance Smart Chain. So Binance Smart Chain is huge. Binance has been doing big things the past month, and basically NRV is trying to take advantage of that. So you scroll down here, they're actually they're listed on Blockfolio. But unfortunately, the only place you can actually trade NRV is going to be on PancakeSwap. So if you click on market here, PancakeSwap is the only place you can trade it. But again, PancakeSwap is awesome because you don't get the ETH gas fees, right? So you just need to deposit BUSD, so Binance USD, and then BNB token for the small fee, which I think is 13 cents to swap over. So super easy and to buy. And again, gas fees are super low. But basically, they've had a lot of developments the past couple of days. So it says our new landing page is up, nerve.fi, and it says a DEX for stablecoins on the Binance Smart Chain. And actually here it says within just 2 weeks of launching, we've reached $45 million in total value lending, grown our community to thousands of members, have the most efficient stablecoin swaps on Binance Smart Chain. So this was a couple days ago, and you can see they're already starting to really, ramp up a lot of their developments here. And you can stake it. You can stake NRV as well on their website, and everyone loves passive income for that. So these 3 coins I'm really bullish on right now, and I think they're going to be good over the next couple of months. But with that, let's do some analysis on Bitcoin and ETH real quick. So again, Bitcoin hitting this resistance level of 58,300. On the 4-hour here, you can see the MFI Pro has curved to the downside, actually crossed below the moving average, which is pretty bearish there. But RSI is still curving up, and then MACD is still, leveling out. So it hasn't technically crossed the downside yet on the MACD. So still some hope to continue if we break this resistance here. Then looking for the resistance at that 61,500 level, which a lot of people have been watching, trying to break those all-time highs. Now looking at Ethereum here on the 4-hour. So Ethereum is actually in the middle of this trend here, and it's trying to get up to this resistance of 1840 again now. Right now, the MFI Pro has crossed the downside, but look, it's starting to level out just a little, but still on a downtrend. So if it can cross back above over this moving average here, that'll be very bullish. And you can see the RSI is pointing to the upside for more momentum. And then if you actually zoom in here on the MFI, you can see that the 4-hour is starting to curve up. So very possible ETH could try again for this 1840 level. And if it breaks it, again, then we're looking at that 1930 to 1950 level. And then after that, of course, trying to break over that 2030 level for that recent high that we had. So again, Bitcoin looking a little more bearish, ETH looking a little more bullish. We'll see what happens in the coming future. But with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like. I really appreciate it. And let me know if you have any questions. Again, contact me on Twitter. Follow me there. Contact me on Discord if you want to join the Discord group. Really appreciate you watching. And until next time, see ya.